Hello viewers, this is a coolant idea. A cardboard box cut at 1/4, then unfolded to make a flap for an air conditioner. There's tape here, and here, and along the bottom to demonstrate it. The outflow air is from this top vent. The intake is down here. What this does is it stops it from feedback from the outputs to the bottom. Also the flap air prevents the feedback from pulling the forward flow to the floor. And that's the ceiling fan. The air comes to the roof here. When you turn on the fan, it'll pull the air from here to the fan. So there's the invention. And there's a fan on fast speed. And the fan is blowing the air down to the floor.